Often parents ask that when child misbehave, doesn't listen, or fights with other sibling, or being disrespectful, or even don't hesitate to break things, is it okay to punish them, to threaten them about consequences, do timeout, or even some severe cases hit them or spank them? Is it right? Is it wrong? What are some positive or negative effects on a child's psychology with this kind of parenting techniques? What the latest research is showing, that when parents punish kids for their misbehavior, it creates more fear in children. And because of their fear, they feel being disconnected, and it creates more gap between parents and children. So I strongly believe, whenever a child misbehave, or throw a temper tantrum, or being disrespectful, or doesn't seem to be not listening, oppositional defiant, there is some feeling behind that behavior. Either child is mad, angry, frustrated, sad, upset, scared, worried, or some kind of similar feeling that child is going through. And it's hard for children to express their feeling, and the way they express their anger, sadness, scared, is by displaying those so-called bad behaviors. And when parents focus more on the behavior rather than the feeling, that creates more oppositionality, that creates gap, that creates more friction, where kids, children, they feel that they are not being heard, not being listened, not being understood. So what the research is showing, the being sad, being mad, being angry, being frustrated, being scared, these are okay to have these feelings. So we have to teach our children that it's okay to feel these feelings, but it's not okay to display that behavior because of that feeling. It's not okay to throw things. It's not okay to, to fight. It's not okay to use bad words. But it's okay to have, those what we call the big feelings or big emotions. So what parents can do instead of, when the child is displaying that kind of behavior, how can they focus? How can they connect with the child feeling? So the first step, what I would encourage parents, whenever a child is displaying that kind of behavior, no matter how obvious the illogical reason behind that behavior is, but I will encourage parents, which is very hard, what I'm asking is to stay calm in that moment. Because the more you stay calm, the better you can help to regulate your children. So stay calm. Secondly, validate their feeling. You seem mad, you seem upset, you seem angry, you seem sad, you seem worried. And then you may know the exact reason why the child is sad, because he didn't get the toy that he wants, or they are felt unfair. But try to discuss with them, what's going on, what happened. Try to understand, and then come up with this, some suggestion based on understanding and having that discussion. Because what happens is, when we stay calm, when we validate the child feeling, and when we discuss or collaboratively explore the reasoning behind it, then the child is more likely to listen to us. The child is more open to listen to our advice, more open to listen to our suggestion. But if we miss those steps and try to fix that behavior, try to tell the child it's wrong, what is the right way to do it in that moment, then it may cause more gap and more disconnection. So in order to have a well-behaved child, in order to have a well-mannered child, punishment, timeout, hitting, spanking is not the answer. The answer is building connection with them. Answer is making them feel heard, making them feel understood, and making them feel listened. Thank you, and have a good day.